Radhe Radhe. Everybody is concerned after the introduction of new Consumer Protection Act 2019 how much court fees need to be paid if a person prefers to file a complaint before a district consumer forum or state commission form or national consumer forum. In Rule 7 as introduced by Department of Consumer Affairs on 15 July 2020, in Rule 7 it is very clearly mentioned how much court fees will be charged. It is very clearly shown in the table how much court fees will be charged on how much amount. So up to the goods of rupees 5 lakh no amount will be charged. Mean to say, if a consumer has purchased a fridge or a washing machine or any daily use item that is not over 5 lakh rupees, or a car or anything or any insurance, whatever the thing is for his end purpose, it should not be exceed 5 lakh. In that condition he need not to pay single penny, as it is given in column 1, nil, up to rupees 5 lakh nil. Now from 5 lakh to rupees 10 lakh rupees 200 need to be paid as court fees in the form of demand draft or in the form of crossed postal order in favor of president of district firm. Again I am stating, above rupees 5 lakh and up to rupees 10 lakh rupees 200 need to be paid as demand draft, cross demand draft issued by any nationalized bank or a crossed postal order in favor of president of district commission. Above rupees 10 lakh and up to rupees 20 lakh same demand draft and postal order crossed rupees 400. Above rupees 20 lakh and up to rupees 50 lakh rupees 1000 demand draft or postal order, cross demand draft or cross postal order. Above rupees 50 lakh and up to rupees 1 crore rupees 2000 as postal order, cross postal order or as cross demand draft. Now if the matter is up to 1 crore rupees and less than 10 crore rupees, in that scenario above rupees 1 crore and up to rupees 2 crore rupees 2500 rupees need to be paid as court fees in the form of cross demand draft or crossed postal order in favor of state commission. Above rupees 2 crore and up to rupees 4 crore rupees 3000 need to be paid as court fees. Above rupees 4 crore and up to rupees 6 crore rupees 4000 need to be paid as court fees. Above rupees 8 crore and up to rupees 10 crore rupees 6000 need to be paid as court fees. Now if the matter is up to rupees 10 crore, mean to say a consumer has purchased a flat or anything like which is more than 10 crore rupees, in that scenario he is supposed to pay rupees 7500 as court fees to the National Consumer Forum, National Commission, and in that scenario only rupees 7500 need to be paid as court fees in the form of cross demand draft or in the form of crossed postal order. Thank you for giving me your precious time. See you again in the next video.